Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Yeah, here is my class content. Spring NTSPMS715 Spring Basics. I think it is not that. 615 Spring Boot MVC. Spring Boot MVC. Yeah, mini project form validations, guys. We did many things with respect to form validations. Check it out. Number one, we added form validation error messages. Number two, configure property file using @property source. Developed validator class having server side form validation logic. Okay, guys. Right, boss. Inject validator class object to controller class and start calling what? Supports and validate method accordingly, guys. If any validation error messages are there in errors object, again we are launching the form page. Again we are launching the form page in both places, add operation. This is what we did, guys. So shall we continue the code, guys? Come on, the people who have attended yesterday's class. File save as March 28th. File save as March 28th. Mini project form validations. Okay. Control E. I will take 15,000 here. Done. What is the step number, guys? Okay. Step number 6, if I am not wrong. Step number 5 only, na? Fine. We'll make it 5. Step number 5. Yes, guys. Place form colon errors tag, guys. Place form colon errors tag in employee underscore register.jsp, comma, employee underscore okay, edit.jsp. ASP pages to display form validation error messages. To simply display form validation error messages, guys. Switch workspace 615 boot extension, guys. .615 boot extension. Yeah, let me go to this employee underscore register.jsp, boss. It is still booting up, guys. It is still booting up. It is still booting up. Nice, boss. Come on, come on. No need of database today. Let me shut down it. It comes, it comes. It's a matter of time. Then, boss. Yes, boss. SRC, main, web app, web INF, pages, employee underscore register.jsp. Here is what? Employee underscore register.jsp. Okay, boss. Under form tag, under form tag, guys. Form colon errors. Okay, form colon errors. Path is equal to star. Form colon errors, path is equal to star. That means display for all form validation errors, my dear. Okay, here. Okay, P style, paragraph style. Tell me, text hyphen color, red. Okay, text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center, guys. Done, boss. Okay, guys. Order list item opening and closing. List item opening and closing. Each one I want to get as a list item, guys. Right. Now let's see, guys. Yeah, this is the code. Spell mistake, CNTR. CNTR, guys. Copy this. In employee underscore register.jsp and employee underscore edit.jsp. Employee underscore edit.jsp. Say paste, guys. Yeah, most important thing is this one. Yes, boss. Employee underscore edit.jsp. Path star means display everything. Good news for me happen by your help. Just 5-6 question from the microservices and Spring Boot. I explain like your explanation in the class. I never thought much less question asked. I got offer of 5.3 experience with 13 pack lackages with this. Currently working with HTML morning batch parallel to this, still trying for more companies. Good. Amit, congratulations. Congratulations. Right, guys. Congratulations. I am also happy. Okay. Right. Ankit, congratulations. What yaar? Before learning microservice only, if you get the job, who will learn microservices then? Acha, some of you people attended morning microservices, na? Right. Got it. Okay. Are some of you people, these batch students attended morning microservices, guys. Right. Okay. Let it be form. Right. Here also I need to place the same thing, boss. Morning microservice batch is over, my dear. Now people are asking, send morning links, sir. How people will stay in absent mind, I don't know. Okay. Right. Fine. All right, boss. Right click. Yes. Let's see now. Let's see, guys. Run on server. Say next. Remove all. Akash is saying that he talked about microservice intercommunication and he got the job. What happened, guys? Server is giving errors. Where server is giving errors? Failed to parse configuration class. File not found exception. Validation dot properties. Okay. Validation dot properties. I think one thing is missing here at the rate component. Remember what changes I am doing, because without making it as a spring bean, come on. So we cannot inject it. That's the one thing, guys. Remember. Okay, where is validator? Validator class, Babu. Here is our validator class. Here also, let's add it. Done. Next, it is saying that I don't recognize a properties file. Why it is not recognizing properties file? Okay, validation dot properties. What I configured here, guys? MiniProject com/nt/validations dot properties. Validation dot properties. Right now, boss. It's the right only. Why it is not recognizing, my dear? 1 minute. Run on server. Say next. Say finish. Problem with file not found. Could not open servlet context resource. Validation dot properties. I think no, yeah, it will execute in both cases. Capital V, small v is the issue. Capital V and small v is the issue. I don't think so. Validation. Here also we are having validation. Validation dot properties. Let me try once with me when update was. Let me try once with me when update. Clean and build the project. Run on server. Say next. Say finish. It is not recognizing. Now. Somewhere blunder is happening, Babu. How to make that one recognizing, Babu? How to make that recognizing? No, there's no need of placing in this place, guys. Class path colon. Annotation dot. Cool. Don't worry. We'll sort out the issue. We will sort out the issue. Cool. Yeah. Class path colon I have to write. Actually not required. Sometimes it becomes mental, you know that. Actually not required. By default, all are there in the same package, na boss. By default, all those folders are there in the class path, right? Fine, no problem, guys. Maybe space issue. Done, boss. Add employee, guys. Not typed. Oh, still going to add. Why? No message found. No message found. EMP dot required. EMP dot required dot EMP dot name. What's happening, guys? Everything is going out of my expectations. No message found under EMP name dot required dot EMP dot name. Why it is expecting EMP dot name again? Sorry. EMP name dot required my message. Here is my validator class. EMP name dot required is mentioned. EMP name dot required is mentioned. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Why it is saying no message found? 1 minute. To simplify this headache, guys. Okay, to simplify this headache, that means it is not recognizing additional properties file. Okay, let me try by keeping same message in application.properties. Okay, just a minute. Form validation error messages. Okay, let it be application.properties. Form validation error messages, guys. 1 minute. Clean, guys. Done. Okay, if they are recognized from there, my life also becomes easy. Okay. Now, if I don't keep, no, if it is recognizing from application.properties, there is no need of property source and all this stuff, right? Come here, add employee, click on it. Click on it. Okay, no problem. No such message found. No such message found. emp name dot required dot emp dot name. emp dot ename. Why it is adding extra thing, guys? It is not supposed to add extra thing, right? Because it has to just be happy with the message what I kept. Why it is expecting extra message? No, it should not add model class name. Things are on my control. I have a freedom to take my choice message. No message found under code. Why it is looking for this? It's supposed to look for this one only, na? emp name dot required. emp name dot required. Why it is doing some overaction of going for its own message, ra babu? I think somewhere something are automatically happening, boss. Just a minute. Okay, let me try this. emp dot name. emp dot name. Okay, fine. If I give emp dot name for this, what about other messages? emp dot name twice is there now, boss. This is not I'm expecting. Guys, give me some time. It is going behind my expectations. Give me some time. It's coming here. Path is equal to star. I'm asking to print all the messages. No, there's no need of giving whole name, guys. We can have our choice messages. We can have our choice keys. We can have our choice messages, boss. It's happily possible. It should be happily possible, my dear. Yeah, some naming issue. I'm giving my key, but it is adding extra letters for that key. It is adding extra letters for that key, guys. 1 minute. Yeah. When error is new, error is unexpected. Just go there, paste it. No message found under locale. Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow. Yeah. You can specify in Spring Boot proper application.properties, spring.message.base name, encoding is this. Encoding is this. Acha, from here I have to configure. From here I have to configure. Right. Got it, guys. Got it. Okay, don't configure like that. Base name. Give me, guys, I'll modify those things, don't worry. Application dot properties. Base name is equal to what is that? src slash what is com slash nt slash validations dot validation dot validation. Okay, done, my dear. Just a minute. Since I'm configuring from here, boss. Okay, let me comment this. Wait, I'll do modifications. Yeah, basically it has to recognize the thing, guys. Run on server, guys. Say next, guys. Say finish. Application is fine. Add employee, fine. Yeah. Employee name is required. Employee salary is required. Coming or not coming, my dear? Coming. What do you say? Form validation error messages are coming now. Okay. In Spring Boot, it is different, boss. To link one property file from another property file, especially when validations are there, you can go for this. But presentation is not coming as expected. P text color, text hyphen color red, text hyphen align center. Remove this list items. Why I'm not getting red color messages, my dear? I supposed to get red color messages na. Continue. They came. Okay. Color, only color. It is not text hyphen color. Am I right? Color colon red. Something, guys. Don't worry about that. Yeah, they came or not. You want bullet points? Then you can. You want bullet points? I think you have to go for loop kind of thing, boss. Let it be. You have to go for loop kind of thing, but still let me try. Li open, Li closing. Li opening, Li closing. No, it's not. It's going somewhere. It's taking a different mode, guys. They are not sitting under paragraph. Okay, maybe you have to go for something else for that. Some custom designing CSS we have to go, guys. Don't worry about that. Red color message is enough, boss. Now you remove this one also. 3 messages are coming. Chari, 1 message gone. Dev, 1 message gone. Negative number. Range message is coming. Okay, range message is coming. You go more than 10 lakhs. Again, same range message is coming. Right, boss? 22. Yes. Then employee registered. Somewhere 22. Yes. Chari record is inserted or not there. Come on, guys. Happening or not happening? Right. But we have to do some modifications. What are the modification? Yes. Right. This is perfect. This property source is not required, guys. What is new thing that is required? Yeah. What is this? Configure properties file in configure properties file in application.properties. In application.properties. Okay. What are the entries in application.properties, guys? Yes, here are the entries. Actually, one is enough. There is no need of both. Yeah, in application.properties, boss. In application.properties, guys. Right, boss. Tell me here, paste. Done. Tell me here, paste, done, guys. Validation UTF-8. Cool na, boss? This is perfect. Everything is perfect, guys. Now everything else is perfect, right? Yeah, P colon align center, all this stuff. Nice, guys. LI opening and LI closing. Here, what is there? Just color, just color. Done. Okay, but I don't want to see messages coming there. Actually, what's happening, sir? Actually, what happening? Every logic is there in the validator class, guys. Look at, as validation error messages are there, this errors object will fill up with the messages, guys. Okay, look at the controller class. If correct entity, what is that, model class is passed, then I am calling validate method. Then this errors object will be filled up, and if he's having errors, I am asking don't go for service class business logic. Okay, again return back to what, logical view name. I mean to say return logical view name to display the form page. When form page is displayed with error messages, so when form page is displayed, this checks are there any error messages or not. Yes, there, and it will display all the error messages, guys. Suppose if errors object is empty, guys. Suppose if errors object is empty. Now tell me, guys, if errors object is empty, what happens? As errors returns false. When it returns false, it will happily execute what? Service class method and report page and regular story. But if errors are there, it is not allowing to execute service class. It is returning again form page logical view name, so that form page will be displayed. When form page is displayed, form colon errors will take care of displaying the form validation error messages. Everyone got the clarity, my dear? Come on. Okay, let's check. Same thing is happening for edit employee or not. Same thing is happening for edit employee or not. Okay, this is edit employee, guys. Okay, suppose I have not typed dev. Error message is coming or not coming? Coming. Okay, here name should have max of 10 characters. I'm trying to type more than 10 characters. Coming or not coming? Salary should not be negative number. I am giving negative number. Error messages are coming or not coming? Everything is given perfectly, guys. Dev here, positive number. Okay. Okay. Karan has become one. Karan one, edit employee. Okay. Karan one has come na. All the modifications are happening nicely, la boss. We are slowly adding one by one, Rababu. I hope you noticed all this stuff. So here also, edit underscore employee, do the same changes, boss. Do the same changes. Here also color. See, I'm trying to reuse the form validation errors in multiple places or not, guys. Okay, anyhow, that is given. This is the end of the form validations, boss. Suresh, just now I talked to flow only, my dear. Okay, since people are asking me flow of execution in return, let me give the flow of execution in return, guys. Flow of execution with respect to form validations. Flow of execution with respect to form validations. Right, guys. Right, guys. What is this? Employee underscore register JSP register JSP form page submission. Form page submission. Who takes the request? Dispatcher servlet. Who handovers to whom? Handler mapping. Handler mapping. What is that? Gets. What is the handler method, guys? Here, what is the add employee? Okay, gets add employee. Add employee. What are the parameters, guys? Redirect attributes, ATTRS, comma. Next. At the rate model attribute, EMP. Tell me what is this? Employee EMP, comma. Binding result. What, guys? Binding result. Add a method signature. Method signature, which is having at the rate post mapping /register. Okay, guys. Yeah. DS prepares empty redirect attributes object. Redirect attributes object. Come on. Next. Writes form data to employee class object. Writes form data to what, guys? Employee class object, guys. Writes form data to employee class object. Next one. Creates bind exception object. You know that. Bind exception object and calls add employee method having those objects as the arguments. Those objects as the arguments. Calls add employee method having those objects as the arguments, guys. Are you comfortable, my dear? Okay. Having those objects as the arguments, guys. Right, guys. Right, guys. Now tell me here. Calls validator dot supports method. What method, guys? Supports method having model class name. Model class name. Okay, model class name as the argument. Argument. Okay. Calls validator dot validate method having, come on, having validator dot validate method having, tell me, model class object and bind exception object, nothing but errors object ra babu, as the arguments. Come on. Okay. If validate method finds no validation error, no validation errors, then what is guys, what is the story? No validation errors. No validation errors. Okay. Errors dot as error, as errors. What guys? Returns false. Then invokes the service class methods. Invokes the service class methods. Come on, guys. Okay. If validation errors are there, what this method returns what, guys? Okay. Errors dot as errors returns true. Guys. Returns true, guys. Tell me next one. Returns true. Returns true. What is this? Keeps errors object in request scope. Array, request scope. Errors object in what? Request scope. Returns. Okay, returns employee underscore register as LVN, logical view name. Yes, na boss. Right. Next, LVN dispatcher servlet, view resolver, view object. Come on. View object. Okay. Executes /webinf/pages employee underscore register dot JSP. Tell me, in that page, what guys? In that page, tell me, what is the story? In that page, form : errors path is equal to star. I think now you got bulb, guys. Star gets errors object from request scope goes to scope and displays the form validation error messages. Form validation error messages. Guys, I think now you got some maturity here. Perfect flow. Convinced everyone? Everyone logically convinced? You can explain something to interviewer about the flow, boss? Super, guys. Sir, I am not interested to display form validation error message at the top of the class. At the top of the page. I want to display beside every form page. I want to display beside every form page. Every component. Form component is there now, guys. There I want to display. Shall I start displaying, guys? Okay. Then very simple, guys. Form colon errors. Path is equal to. What is the name we have given? I think here nothing we have given, boss. Okay. We do in register, employee underscore register only we do. Here, what is the name we have given, guys, in validator class? E-name, job, prop, job, sal. Okay, we have to give same names, guys. We have to give the same name, right, boss? Employee underscore register, guys. Path is equal to e-name. Generally that match with form component name, guys. If you give different name, that different name you have to pass here. Copy, guys. Here job related error messages only I want to display. Not every message. Next. Okay, here sal related error message I want to display. Not every error message, guys. Right. Now check it out. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish. Say finish, say next. Yes, guys, look at this. Add employee. Okay, now you observe. Yeah, I will tell. Still, this is not commented, guys. Let me comment that first. Done, guys. Refresh. Yeah, it's coming here. It's really coming here. Okay. But if that comes in red color, it would be nice now, boss. If that comes in red color, it could be nice, guy. Nice now, boss. Right. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, view source. What is the tag it is internally using, my dear? Span. And internally it is using span tag, right? Okay, fine. There are two ways of doing it. I'll show first way. First way is what? Here style attribute is there, luckily. Here also we have a style, guys. CSS style. Okay. CSS style is there. Okay. Tell me what is this? Inside that, what? Can you help me? What is that? Inside that, what is that I have to write? Just color colon red. But we have to do 3 times. That's a very bad. In real time, big forms will be there. Doing multiple times is meaningless, right? Okay. Your attribute is CSS style. color. Yeah. Come here. Say refresh. They're coming in red color. This is a one way. This is a one way, guys. One more way is there. Array, you develop one embedded style. You develop one embedded style and you try to write that class here. Whenever span tag encounters, red color will come. Whenever span tag encounter, red color will come. Okay, boss. First, I will go for how can we display form validation error messages beside the form component. Beside the form component. Beside the form components. Okay, what is the answer? Use form colon errors tag by specifying. Okay, by specifying. Okay, form component name in path attribute. Form component name in path attribute, guys. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. By specifying path attribute. This is how we have to do it. Okay. One question is there any option to display error message without form colon errors? Then write Java code, Babu. Write Java code. And moreover, when they give ready-made tags, why you want to do it without that? When they give ready-made code happily, ready-made tags, take it, use it, Babu, I will take care of everything. Why you want to do without that? Okay, boss. Here are the important lines. Done. 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 Okay. So, but 3 times. Okay. Listen, 3 times same thing is bad, right? 3 times same thing. That too, I know that whenever these are happening, span tag is coming into picture. So, can I go for embedded styles, guys? Can I go for embedded styles? Embedded CSS example. Because I forgot the syntax. How to create embedded CSS, guys? Style attribute you have to take, guys. And there you have to play little bit. Okay, somewhere here I am taking style attribute, guys. Okay, I don't want body background orange. You want background orange? Okay, let it be. Background. Array, cyan looks nice. Okay, cyan we will take. H1, whenever H1 is encountered, you want to apply some styles? No. But whenever span is encountered, whenever span tag is encountered, I would like to see, guys, I would like to see a red color. Okay, guys, red color. Table background also cyan. Okay, we will take pink color. Fine, boss. Okay, now no more required, guys. This time, no need of applying CSS style. Because already I said span tag encountered, apply the red color. Span count encountered, apply the red color. Yes, boss. Save it. Okay, come back, guys. Refresh. Okay, how to believe it's still working? How can you believe it's working? Raja filled up. Message gone. Message gone. So when I don't type this one, again I am getting my red color message back. That means it's working now. That to pink background also came. That too pink background also came. Did you notice it, guys? Did you notice it, my dear? Come on. Right. Either that or this, guys. Your choice, my dear. Okay. Yes, these are small things which are supposed to learn in HTML classes. But when you study there, you don't study with seriousness. That's why they look great now. If they are looking great now means you have time passed in your HTML classes. Okay. Yeah, you may if you want, you can keep the error outside the TD also. That's up to you. Presentation, no problem. Right. Okay. This is not required, guys. Nice, boss. See, I'm not worried about syntaxes. Right. Okay. I'm not. See, many times I have not worried about syntaxes. I just gathered syntaxes, inspired, and I have written. That attitude should be there in your body also, right? So don't worry about syntaxes, worry about the process. Here is the span tag, guys. Are you noticing it, guys? Yeah, like this, we can play with this one, guys. Right. 3 types of errors, guys. 3 types of validation errors. 3 types of validation errors. 3 types of validation errors in web applications. In Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC web applications. Still, I have not launched main discussion, Rababu. Yeah, form validation errors. Form validation errors discussed above. Next, type mismatch errors. Type mismatch errors. Yes. Type mismatch errors. Understanding my statement, guys? All are important, Babu. Application logic errors. Are business logic related errors, Babu. Business logic related errors. These are the 3 things, guys. Shall we concentrate on application logic errors, type mismatch errors, guys? Okay, boss. Typed Chari, typed dev. Here I typed salary ABC. You will get number format exception here, na? You will get number format exception or not? Okay, if you don't handle, here only you will get number format exception message. Why? Because binding process itself failed. Forget about validate method, Babu. Basic binding process is failed. Here basic binding process is failed. Got it, guys? Here basic binding process is failed. Yes, na? I need not to worry about, because I am not doing binding now, boss. Who is doing binding? Who is doing binding? Array dispatcher servlet is internally doing binding by using one or other internal component. So do I have a control on it? No. So can I customize this message on my own? No. But they have given provision. Array, instead of displaying this kind of technical message towards type conversion related problems, type conversion related problem, do one thing in properties file. You follow certain pattern to write the message, automatically that message will come instead of technical message, right? Okay. Type mismatch errors. Type mismatch errors. Type mismatch dot. Okay. Type mismatch dot property. Salary must be numeric value. Salary must be numeric value. There is a pattern to follow. There is a pattern to follow. There is a type mismatch. T small letter, M capital letter, and this is the property name. There is a pattern to follow. If you don't follow this pattern, you won't get the message, guys. Because internal system is designed like this. Whoever binding form data to, what is that? Model class object, if any problem comes towards binding, okay, that time it will search for this key before displaying the message. If no key is found like this, it will display default message. If certain key is found, it will use that key to display the message. Right, guys. Chari, okay, A, B, C, D. Click on register. Salary must be numeric value. Salary must be numeric value. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Salary must be numeric value, not typed. Employee salary required. Alphabets. Salary must be numeric value. Sir, why second message is coming? If no value is there, default value null na. When no value is there, default value is null na. That's why required message also coming, boss. Required message also coming. When no value is there, default value will be what, guys? Null, right? Okay, sir, I don't want to get this message. I don't want to get this message. Then what should I do? Okay, I don't want to get this message. Okay, now let's go to controller class, guys. Employee operations. Okay, listen, guys. Here only binding happens. After binding form validations, we are doing, guys. Okay, that's why what I do is, here itself, I will check. I too don't know. Errors dot has field errors, global errors. I'm just checking, is there any type mismatch errors, guys? Oh, yeah. Dot. Okay, field errors we will take. What errors, guys? Field errors. Are there any field errors? True if there are errors associated with a field. Okay, fine. As field errors, then also I want to display the message. Then also I don't want to go further, guys. Return employee underscore register. Now let's see, guys. Let's see now. Run on server, guys. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Get employee data, guys. Add employee, guys. Okay. Employee salary is required. Yeah. Salary must be numeric value. Did you notice that, guys? Okay, once this is solved, then other errors also will come. Because first I asked to display that, right, boss? Or you can do like this. You can do like this. Okay, you can do like this. Once these errors are solved, guys, you can put here also. Basic form validations errors are solved. Now I want to check, are there any field errors? This may sound more better. This may sound more better. Run on server, guys. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. I think it will not work out, but let's try. Now coming. Okay, fine. I filled up. Yeah. Gone. Yeah. No, it's not gone. First only we have to check type conversion, then empty or not. Yes, you are right. Okay, first that, then this. First that, then this. Because these errors are coming towards binding activities now. Okay, checking for type mismatch errors. Checking for form validation errors. Form validation errors. Array, some business logic errors also will be there. Okay, guys. Now listen. What is my intention, you know? What is my intention? Business logic, serious business logic. I don't want to allow those employees to register whose designation is, what is that? Hacker. If anyone typed designation as a hacker, I don't want to what? See him registering in the database. Then we have to think about going for application logic errors, guys. Okay, there is no space for hackers in my application, in my organization. Right now, boss. Now tell me here. If emp dot get job equals ignore case hacker. Upper case, lower case, mixed case, hacker word is there, guys. Then what I want to do, you know, errors dot add, reject value. Here also I will start adding one thing. Here also I will start adding. This is application logic error, guys. Okay, this is belonging to what, guys? Job field. What is the error message, guys? Some keyword, some key. This is my, where is validation error page? Here I will go for type mismatch error messages. Hash. Application logic error messages. Application logic error messages. Tell me, guys, something babu. Some BSNL phone numbers are not allowed to register. Certain city people are not allowed to register. Certain country people are not allowed. Application logic errors will be there now, boss. Suppose you are given PIN code, their delivery is not possible. No problem. Saying that we cannot give delivery to you people. When you book online orders, they will check your PIN number or not. Okay, application logic error message. Service business logic error messages they are about. Tell me here, what is that? Okay, job dot reject. What is that? Hackers are not allowed to register. Hackers are not allowed to register. Hackers are not allowed to register. Job.reject, guys. Key is not fixed, guys. Key is not fixed. Any property name generally we take so that I can display opposite to that. But in here, this is not fixed, guys. Here nothing, everything is user defined. Okay, here, what is the pattern, guys? What is the pattern? Type mismatch dot. Okay, property. Okay, is equal to message. Type mismatch dot property is equal to message. Job dot reject. Hackers are not allowed to register, guys. Yeah. Now tell me. Okay. Then again I want to show. Again I want to show. Again you go to this place, guys. Right, boss? Yeah. These are application logic errors, boss. Run on server, guys. Say next. Array application logic means business logic errors. You give one pin code. Flipkart people will tell, can they deliver or not? In IPL action, Pakistani players are not allowed, though they have applied. So, for IPL action, Pakistani players are allowed to upload their data or not? Not allowed. Country Pakistan is banned in the registration. Right? Okay, guys. Employee name Chari. Employee designation clerk. Employee salary, this one, AAA. Click on register employee. Salary must be numeric value. I have given. So now here I am typing hacker, guys. Hacker. Click on. Hackers are not allowed to register. I have given developer. So developers are happily allowed to register or not. Okay. Chari developer, this is registered, guys. Come on, my dear. Okay. Sir, we write this logic in form validation class. Now, why we write in property file? Are in property file, messages are kept, dirty fellow. Messages are kept so that we can change the messages dynamically. And if you know internationalization, we can customize the message to come in local languages. Understanding my statement, we are not writing Mr. Abhi, muddy fellow, dirty fellow, wrong analyzation. Here I am writing Java code. This is logic. These are messages, waste fellow. For loose coupling, babu. Loose coupling, babu. Manoj Pandey, things will come in order. You need not to tell, do that, do this. I will murder you if you try to show your over smartness in front of me. Dirty fellow. He's telling that, do this. Things will come. Can we use regular expression? Regular expression should be used in where? Okay. In JavaScript, there is a possibility of using regular expression. Here already some methods are there. Reject value. You can work with that. Logic you can write like anything, but messages you better to collect from properties file. Messages you better collect from Microsoft. Okay. Super, guys. I think you enjoyed today's discussion. You understood all three types of errors, guys. Okay, guys. Procedure to place. Type mismatch errors. Type mismatch errors. And application logic errors. in the existing project. Existing projects. Okay. Okay. Type mismatch errors. 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 Type mismatch error messages can be customized. Acha. Type mismatch errors will be raised. Type mismatch errors will be raised. Are you listening my statement, guys? Type mismatch error messages will be raised. Will be raised if form data binding to model class object gives problem. Form data binding to model class object gives binding. Model class object gives problem. Like if we try to store string value to numeric property of string value, nothing but form data, to numeric property of model class, then we get, what is that? Number format exception. Number format exception with other messages, which is basically the technical type mismatch error. Type mismatch error. Okay. To replace that technical message with our choice custom message, take the support of type mismatch dot property key. M capital, guys, M capital. Property key in the properties file. Property key in the properties file. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Property key in the properties file, guys. Copy this, guys. Type mismatch dot property key in the properties file. Right. Where is this, guys? This is invalidation dot validation dot properties. Right, guys. Yeah, small business logic related rejection errors are called application logic errors. They can be placed in properties file with our choice key, keys and values. with our choice keys and values. With our choice keys and values. In application dot properties, guys. Right, boss. Type mismatch dot sal job dot reject, guys. Job dot reject, guys. Next, code in. No, in JSP file, nothing you have to do, guys. Code in controller class handler method. Code in controller class and sorry. This is in validation dot properties. You are right. This is in validation dot properties. Fine. Controller class handler methods, guys. Yes. Where, guys? Where is that? I have to place this one in both methods, guys. This is there in what? Add employee. Na? Same thing is expected in what? Edit employee also. Same thing is expected in edit employee. But only the difference is I edit. After editing also, sorry, we don't allow hackers. Okay, guys. We only mentioned Maddi fellow Krishna Kumar. We only specified here missing class yesterday and today presenting themselves as a great mind people is not a good thought. We clearly mentioning Babu. We are clearly mentioning. Are you seeing it? Who is that fellow asking that question? Kishore. I think you missed yesterday's class. Not I think, I am confirming. Okay. Copy these guys. We are mentioning that key, my dear. Why does it won't bind when you mention the key clearly? When you mention the key clearly, why does it won't bind? Definitely it binds now, boss. Okay. This one also. Yes, boss. Right. This section is important. This section is important. Here also. Not this section important. This section is not this section. Sorry. This is application logic errors. Oh, I didn't write application logic errors, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's session, guys. Day to day, your confidence is increasing. Errors. Application logic errors. Okay. At least in one place, I will write Babu. Application logic errors, guys. Done. Thank you. Still, major part is still pending, boss. Major part is still pending. What is that? Enabling server-side form validation only when client-side form validations are not done. You will get goosebumps. You will get goosebumps once I do that work. Once I do that work, come on. Yes, boss. Thank you. Those who have done servlets with me, for them it is a known concept. But in Spring, we have to implement. In Spring, we have to implement. Right. I'll upload the code. Don't worry. Thank you. Have a nice time.